In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product reviews to your Shopify store using a free review app. If you're looking to enhance your customers' experience and boost trust in your online store, this guide will provide clear, user-friendly steps to help you get there. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Home section of your store. This is your main dashboard, and from here, you can access all the key settings for your store. Next, let's move on to Settings. You'll find this option at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Clicking on Settings will open up a new page where you'll need to select Apps and Sales Channels. This section is where you can manage the apps installed on your Shopify store to enhance its functionality. Now, to add the review feature, click on Shopify App Store. This brings you to a marketplace of applications where you can find many tools to help run your store. The Shopify App Store is where you'll find various apps, and today we're specifically looking for a review app. Once you're in the App Store, look for the Highlight section. This area shows some of the most popular and recommended apps that could benefit your store. Among these, find and click on Judge.me reviews. This app is popular for its ease of use and comprehensive features that allow your customers to leave detailed reviews. After selecting Judge.me reviews, click on Open. This will begin the installation process, and once the app is installed, navigate to the Manage Reviews page within the app. This is where you can see all the reviews collected and manage how they appear on your store. Next, head over to Products and Groups. This section lets you assign specific products to review groups, making it easier to manage where reviews appear on your site. Once in this section, you'll want to highlight the relevant products you wish to include. Finally, complete this process by clicking on Add to Group. This action enables you to group products effectively, ensuring that the reviews appear consistently across your product pages. And that's it. You've now added product reviews to your Shopify store with the Judge.me app. Adding reviews can significantly enhance the credibility and customer engagement of your online store. Feel free to explore the additional settings in the app to customize how reviews appear and integrate seamlessly into your store aesthetic. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.